Hello, sir. Hello, students. Hello, hello, hello. My voice is coming to you. Am I audible? Hello. Reply fast. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you able to listen me? My voice is coming to you. Good afternoon. Hello. Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. Yes. So, very good. Very good. Yes. So, listening classes after getting seats. Okay. Yes. Good. Yes. So, what we have covered in the previous class? I think we were covering dot product of the vectors, isn't it? What we have covered in the previous class? What are the things we have covered in the previous class? We have covered the dot product, properties of the dot product. All properties were covered or not? How many properties we have covered? How many properties we have covered? Properties of dot product. 8 or 9. How many properties we have covered? 9. Okay. 9. Okay. Very good. Have we covered the component property? Component of a vector onto another vector. Component of a vector onto another vector. Component of a vector. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. So today we will start. With some basic questions. Okay. I will start with some basic questions. If a cap dot b cap is half, find angle between a cap and b cap. If a cap dot b cap is half, find angle between a cap and b cap. Solve this question. A cap dot b cap is half, then find angle between a cap and b cap. Very simple question. We are starting from a very easy question. Find the angle between a cap and b cap. Yes. Hussein and Vijay have given me correct answer. Nagaraju, yes, very good. Your answer is also correct, Nagaraju. Manish, very good. Bhagadevi, very good. Very good. All are giving me correct answer. Very good. Kavitha, very good. Very simple question. We have started with a warm-up question. Dot product of two vectors is given as half. Dot product of two vectors is given as half. What is the meaning of dot product? Dot product of A and B. Dot product of A and B is the magnitude of first vector, magnitude of second vector into cos of angle between them. What is the angle between them? We want the angle between them. We need the angle between them. Yes, and this is given as half. Now cap means unit vector. So this is 1. B vector cap is also 1 into cos theta is half. So cos theta is now half. It means theta must be 60 degree. This should be our answer. It's easy and very simple question. Easy question. Understood? So we have started with a warm-up question. Next question. If mod of a cap plus b cap is root 3, find angle between a cap and b cap. Try this question next. Mod of a cap plus b cap is root 3. Mod of a cap plus b cap is root 3. Find the angle between a cap and b cap. Solve this question. Mod of a cap plus b cap is root 3. Mod of a cap plus b cap is root 3. Find the angle between a cap and b cap. No, Vijay, your answer is wrong. Find the angle between a cap and b cap. Here I am talking about magnitude of sum, magnitude of sum of two vector, magnitude of a cap plus b cap. This is as root 3. Magnitude of sum of two vector is root over magnitude of first vector square. This is cap, a cap. So magnitude will be 1. Magnitude of unit vector is 1. Magnitude of first vector square, magnitude of second vector square plus 2 times magnitude of first, magnitude of second into cos of angle between them, and that is given as root 3. We can solve this equation. If I square both the sides, see here 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, which is 2, plus 2 cos theta. If I square both the sides, I will get 3 here. So 2 plus 2 cos theta is 3. It means 2 cos theta is 1. 2 cos theta is 1. Then again cos theta is half, or theta equal to 60 degree. So again the answer of this question is 60 degree. Very good. A lot of students have given me correct answer now. Very easy question. Again we have done a very simple question. Magnitude of sum of two vectors is given. We have calculated the angle between the vectors. Cap was given here. It means they are unit vectors. So remember, whenever two unit vectors are giving you magnitude root 3, the angle between them will be 60. And if two unit vector gives you another unit vector, magnitude of two unit vector is also 1, then the angle between a cap and b cap is 120. In that situation, we get angle 120. Okay. So next question. Find the angle of a vector with resultant of a vector plus b vector and 2a vector minus b vector. Find the angle of a vector with resultant of these two. Do this question. Same kind of question is in your gym book. Find the angle of a vector with resultant of a plus b and 2a minus b. Do this question, attempt this question. Find the angle of a vector with resultant of other two. Think about resultant. What is the meaning of resultant? Think about magnitude of resultant. Think about resultant. Resultant means just addition. So resultant, let's say that is R vector, will be addition of the given two vector. A vector plus B vector plus 2A vector minus B vector. Resultant means addition. Okay. So what is the resultant vector here? Plus B and minus B will get cancelled. Plus B and minus B will get cancelled. So these two are getting cancelled. Now my resultant is 3 times A vector. Resultant is 3 times a vector. 3 times a vector, this is my resultant. And in question they are asking angle of a vector with resultant, which is 3 times a vector. Now give me angle of a vector with 3 times a vector. What will be the angle between a vector and 3 times a vector? Very good, Sajid. Very good, Sajid. What will be angle between a vector and 3 times a vector? It should be 0. It should be 0. 3 times a vector means just a vector which is triple the length of a vector. If this is your a vector, then 3a vector means a vector which is just triple the length. The length is tripled here. Length is tripled, but direction is same. The direction of a vector and 3a vector will be same. Hence, by this observation, I can say answer is 0. The angle between a and 3a, the angle between a and 3a is 0. Is this clear? In the question was very easy, but they asked the question in a different way, in a twist way. Okay, so they were asking angle of a vector with the resultant of these two. Resultant means addition. So I have just added these two. By adding these two, I am getting 3a vector. This 3a vector, when it is it's just a vector of 3 times length of a, direction is same. That's why the angle will be 0. Correct answer is 0. Correct answer is 0. Okay, let us solve more questions. Next question. If vector I plus j plus k is perpendicular to, vector I plus j plus k is perpendicular to 2xi minus j, find x. We have done same kind of question in the previous class also. So I have just changed a little bit, just change the question a little bit. Find the x. Find the value of x if these two vectors are perpendicular. Find the value of x if the given two vectors are perpendicular. Very good, Sharanya. Find the value of x if the given two vectors are perpendicular. Kavitha, very good. Hussain, very good. If the vectors are perpendicular, the dot product must be 0. Use this property. Use the property. Dot product of perpendicular vectors is 0. Just use this property, you will get your answer. So, two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product, which is I plus j plus k dot 2xi minus j. This should be 0. This should be 0. If you take dot product, in I you are getting 1 here, in I you are getting 2x here. 1 into 2x. 1 into 2x. 1 into minus 1 is k into 0. That should be 0. So 2x minus 1 is 0, or x should be equal to 1 by 2. This should be your answer. X is equal to 1 by 2. Is this clear? A lot of students are giving me correct answer. Very good. Very good. So very simple question. Very simple question. Whenever two vectors are perpendicular, we can use the dot product concept. Okay. Next question. If xi plus 4j plus k and xi minus xj plus 4k are perpendicular, find x. Now find the value of x if these two vectors are perpendicular. A small change in the question. Find this. Very small change in the question. Yes, Vijay, very good. If vectors are perpendicular, their dot product must be 0. Their dot product must be 0. So dot product of xi plus 4j plus k with xi minus xj plus 4k is 0. Dot product must be 0. Now x into x square, 4 into minus x minus 4x, 1 into 4 plus 4, this is 0. So we are getting a quadratic equation now. We are getting a quadratic equation. How to solve quadratic equation? Whenever we get quadratic equation like this, general quadratic equation is of the format x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is our general quadratic equation. How to find the value of x, for which this equation is 0? So solution is x is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the solution of quadratic equation. This is the solution. This is given by Sridharacharya. Use this formula to get the value of x. Find the value of x. Do it ASAP. Quadratic equation. How to solve quadratic equation? Just use the formula. What is a here? If you compare with our formula, coefficient of x square is 1 here. Coefficient of x minus 4. Constant term 4. Now just substitute these values in terms of in the equation. So you will get x equal to minus of b plus or minus root over b square minus 4a into c upon 2 times of a. 2 times of a. If you solve this, see, minus 4 square is 16. This is also 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Plus 4, 0. By 2. So answer must be 2. This is the solution. X is 2. Answer is x equal to 2. Is this clear? Where is the question? A lot of you have given me correct answer. Very good. Is this clear? All others, is this clear? Correct answer of this question is x equal to 2. Yes, Noel is saying me correct. Okay. Very good. So let's do one more question. One more question. Find angle between a vector and b vector if a vector plus b vector is perpendicular to a vector. If a vector plus b vector is perpendicular to a vector. I am giving you option for this question. First option is cos inverse a by b. Second option is sin inverse a by b. Third option is cos inverse b by a. Fourth option is cos inverse minus a by b. Give me the correct answer. There are 4 options. Give me the correct answer. Angle between A and B, you need to find angle between A and B, and it is given that the sum A plus B is perpendicular to A. Sum of A plus B is perpendicular to A. No Sheikh. Tahiba Sheikh. Taiba Sheikh. This is wrong. Vijay, this is wrong. Blessy, correct answer. Bhavya, wrong. Wrong. Kavita, correct. Correct. Lachna, correct. Very good. I have given you two vectors are perpendicular. Use the property when the vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. Use this property. When vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. Try this once more. Ramanath, correct. Very good. So let us solve this question. See, it's written in the question that vector A and A plus B are perpendicular. So that dot product must be 0. Dot product of a vector with a perpendicular vector is 0. So A plus B dot A must be 0. Now solve this. If I take A dot A, I can distribute dot product. So I will get A dot A plus A dot B equal to 0. A dot A plus A dot B equal to 0. What is A dot A? A vector multiplied with itself gives you square of the magnitude. A dot A is square of magnitude of A. It is A square. Plus A dot B is AB cos theta equal to 0. A dot B is AB cos theta, which is 0. Now solve this. Take A square on that side. So AB cos theta is becoming minus A square. AB cos theta is becoming minus square. You divide this, cos theta becomes minus A square by AB. A and A are getting cancelled. So that's why minus A by B. Cos theta is minus A by B. Then theta must be cos inverse minus A by B. This should be the correct answer. This should be the correct answer. Cos inverse minus A by B. This should be the correct answer. Angle between A vector and B vector. The fourth option is the correct option. The fourth option is the correct option. Is this clear? How we have calculated the angle. The dot product must be 0. If two vectors are perpendicular, dot product is 0. We have just used this property. Okay. A vector dot A plus B is 0. It means A dot A plus A dot B is 0. A dot A is A square, A dot B is AB cos theta 0. So we are getting this answer then. Clear? Now it is saying me clear. Okay, very good. So let us proceed. Let us solve some more question. Okay, we have covered the ninth property, that how to find the component of a vector in direction of other. Let us solve some question on that property. Okay, question. Find component. I am asking only magnitude of I plus j plus k in direction of I plus 2j. Find this. Find component of I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k in direction of I plus 2j. I want to calculate component of A along B. What was the formula? It was A vector dot B cap. A vector dot B cap. I want to know component of A in the direction of B. How I can do it? I will take B cap, which is unit vector of the direction of B, and multiply it with A cap. Dot product. A vector dot B cap gives me the component of A in the direction of B. How this formula is coming? The component of A along B is nothing but A cos theta. A cos theta. And that will be equal to A vector dot B vector upon magnitude of B. A vector dot B vector upon magnitude of B. A vector dot B vector upon magnitude of B. So B vector dot magnitude of B is B cap. This is A vector dot B cap. So now use the formula. Solve the question. So I want component of this I plus j plus k in direction of what? In this direction, I plus 2j. So for direction, I will take unit vector. I plus 2j divided by root 5. I should divide a vector by its magnitude to get the direction, to get the unit vector in the direction. To get unit vector, we divide a vector by its magnitude. So now the answer will become, this is, take dot product, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 1, 2 by root 5. So 3 by root 5. This is our answer. 3 by root 5. Please see, is this clear? Is this clear or not? 2 by root 5. What is the formula? A vector dot B cap. You want component of A in the direction of B. You want component of A in the direction of B. What we will do? We'll take A vector dot product with B cap. Dot product with B cap. Yes. And this is magnitude of the component. This is magnitude of the component. Sometimes they want direction also. Sometimes they want direction also. Okay. So vector component of A vector along B vector, vector component, it's A vector dot B caps times B cap. This is the magnitude of component. If I multiply this with unit vector of direction, I will get vector component. Note this formula. We have not covered this formula in the previous class. Note this formula. A vector dot B caps times B cap. A vector dot B cap gives you magnitude of the component times B cap gives you vector. Okay, Aarti, yes, we will again see this. See, if suppose this is your B vector, suppose this is your A vector, and this angle is theta. Angle between A vector is theta. Angle between A vector and B vector is theta. Okay. Then A vector can have two components. One along B vector. This is the component of A vector in the direction of B vector. This is the component of A vector in direction of B vector. And A vector can have this component which is perpendicular to B vector. A vector can have two components. Okay. The component which is along the B vector, if you want to know its length, this length is magnitude of first vector and this angle is theta. So this length must be A cos theta. Base of a triangle is a cos theta, hypotenuse into cos theta. Perpendicular is hypotenuse into sin theta. Okay, so if you want to know the magnitude of component of A in the direction of B, magnitude of component of A in the direction of B, the answer will be a cos theta. So that magnitude of component of A in the direction of B is a cos theta, and that will be A vector dot B vector upon B, because A dot B is AB cos theta. So if I divide that with B, I will get component, magnitude of component. B vector by B, B vector upon B, B vector upon B. This is unit vector of B. Vector divided by its magnitude is unit vector. So I will get A vector dot B cap. A vector dot B cap. So when you want to take a component of a vector in a direction, just multiply that vector with unit vector of direction. First, is this clear? Is this point clear? When I want component of A vector in direction of B vector, I will multiply A vector with unit vector of B vector. Is this point clear? How we are getting A cos theta, A vector dot B cap? Aarti, this point is clear or not? Tell me. Component of A in the direction of B. What is the component of A in the direction of B? Length of A in projection of B, direction of B, is A cos theta. I want this thing, A cos theta. How to get this A cos theta? The dot product of two vector, A vector dot B vector, is AB cos theta. So how to get this A cos theta? A cos theta is A vector dot B vector upon B. Okay. Now B vector dot B is B cap. So this is component of a vector in the direction of B vector. And if you want the vector component, if you want to write this vector is in direction of B vector. This vector is in direction of B vector. So to get the vector, multiply the magnitude with direction. Multiply the magnitude with direction. So magnitude of component is A vector dot B cap, direction is B cap. Is this point up clear? Now is it clear or not? Aarti, I want your answer. Aarti, are you able to listen me? Manish is saying me yes. Okay, Manish. Yeah, wait for that. Formula is clear or not? First tell me formula is clear or not. Okay, formula is clear. Now, see, in the question, let's go to the question then. In the question, what they want? We want component of this vector in this direction. We want component of this vector in this direction. To get component of this in this direction, I will take dot product of this vector with unit vector of this direction. With unit vector of direction. So dot product of I cap, J cap, K cap, take a dot product with unit vector. How to get a unit vector? A vector divided by its magnitude. A vector divided by its magnitude. So I cap plus 2j cap divided by magnitude of this. What is magnitude of this? I cap plus 2j cap. What is magnitude? Root 5. How? 1 plus 2 square. Root 5. Okay. So A vector dot B cap. This gives you magnitude of the component. So correct answer of magnitude is 3 by root 5. And if you want to write vector component, okay, if you want to write vector component, that will be equal to, what was the magnitude of the component? 3 by root 5. And direction, I plus 2j by root 5. This is the vector component. I have again multiplied with unit vector to give you the vector component. Is this point now clear? Tell me. Okay, so I think this is clear now. Let us solve one more question based on this. Let us solve one more question. One more question. One more question. What is component of I plus 2j in direction of I plus j? Give both magnitude and direction. Give me both magnitude and direction. Do this. Yes, class. Yes, class is up to 115. We may almost all things are over. Just do this question. I want both component magnitude of the component and give me answer in vector format also. What is the component of I plus 2j in direction of I plus j? The formula for taking component of A vector along B vector is take the first vector and take direction of second, which is B cap, and take dot product. If you want component of A along B, take unit vector of B, take dot product. This is the formula. Okay. Now how to solve this? How to solve this? What is the first vector here? I plus 2j. I want component of this. In which direction I want component? I want direction I plus j. I plus j. So I will take dot product with unit vector of I plus j. What is unit vector of I plus j? I plus j divided by root 2. Divided by root 2. So now solve this. Take this dot product. 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 2 into 1. Divided by root 2. So answer will be 3 by root 2. How to take dot product? We are taking dot product x component into x component and j component into j component. So answer is 3 by root 2. What is this? This is magnitude of the component. 3 by root 2. 3 by root 2. Sometimes they want direction, they want vector. If the options are in terms of I cap, j cap, that means they are wanting vector. They want vector answer. So vector component. Vector component. For vector, what we will do? We will multiply this magnitude with its direction. What was the direction? Direction is I cap plus j cap by root 2. Unit vector of direction. I cap plus j cap by root 2. Unit vector of direction. I cap plus j cap by root 2. Now solve this. Root 2 into root 2, 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So I will get 3 by 2 into I plus j. Now, is this point clear? To get component, I will take the first vector, make dot product with the direction. Okay. And to write vector component, I will again multiply the unit vector. See, is everything is clear or not? Blessy is saying yes. Okay. All others? Yes. Okay, very good. So now we know how to find the component of vector in a direction. Okay, very good. So let us solve one more question, one more easy question. This question is now very different. Okay, a different question. If mod of a cap plus b cap is root 3, then give the value of 2a cap plus b cap dot a cap minus b cap. Give the value of this expression. Solve this. Magnitude of a cap plus b cap is root 3. Now give the value of this expression. Magnitude of a cap plus b cap is root 3. Then give the value of this. Remember, we have done this question today itself. Magnitude of a cap plus b cap, magnitude of a cap b cap is root 3. Then the angle between a cap and b cap is 60 degree. Is 60 degree. Magnitude of a cap plus b cap is root 3. So this implies that root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 times 1 into cos of theta, that is root 3. After solving this, you will get theta equal to 60. So we know what is the angle between a cap and b cap. The angle between a cap and b cap is 60 degree. Okay. Now, what I want? I want the value of 2a cap plus b cap dot a cap minus b cap. So now we want value of this expression. How to solve this? Vector product is distributive. We can distribute dot product is distributive. We can distribute this. Open this up. Open this. You will get your answer. Open just open this expression. So 2a cap dot a cap. 2a cap dot a cap. It will be 2a cap dot a cap. First term multiplied with this first term. First term multiplied with second term. There is a minus sign. So minus 2a cap dot b cap. Minus 2a cap dot b cap. Then second term multiplied with this two term. Second term multiplied with the two term. B cap multiplied with a cap. A dot b. A dot b and b dot a are same. Okay. B and b minus b dot b cap. Minus b cap dot b cap. What is a product of vector with itself? A vector dot itself. Vector dot itself. Square of magnitude. A vector dot a vector gives you square of magnitude of a vector. So this is cap. Hence magnitude will be 1. Minus 2a dot b plus a dot b. I will get minus a dot b. Minus 2 times a dot b plus a dot b. I will get minus ab. Okay. And what is again b dot b? 1. 2 minus. What is a dot b? It's magnitude of first, magnitude of second into cos of angle between them. What is cos theta? We have calculated theta 60 degree. So cos theta must be half. 2 minus 1, 1 minus this is half. So answer is half. Can you see how we have calculated the value of this expression? The dot product, I have calculated the dot product of these two expression. I have just opened this expression. So this first term into first term into second term, second into first, second into second. Then solving. After solving, I am getting the value a dot b. Mod a square, mod b square, they are 1 because a and b are unit vector. Mod a, this is a cap dot a cap. So it will be 1. Okay. So we have started with, I am repeating the question, whole question again. So they want value of this expression and they have given us a cap plus b cap magnitude is root 3. So using this a cap plus b cap magnitude root 3, the magnitude of sum of two vector is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, and that is root 3. So using this, we will get angle theta as 60 degree. We have done this question today only. Okay, this was the second question of today. Okay, and after getting the value theta, I want to know value of this expression. So I have opened the expression. 2a cap dot a cap, open the expression. Okay. Now a cap dot a cap, magnitude of the vector square. A vector multiplied with itself, a vector dot a vector gives you mod a square. So this is magnitude of a square, magnitude of b square, and minus 2ab plus ab minus ab. Okay. So this is 2. A dot b is 1 into cos theta, magnitudes into cos theta, and 1. So after solving, I am getting 1/2 because cos theta is 60. Is this clear? Everyone, is this clear? Tell me, is this understood? Ardhamenda? Yes, Bhavya is telling me correct. Okay, perfectly clear. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so we have done some questions on the dot product today. Okay, this is a question and dot product, and this is a similar question to a question in your gym book. I have taken some questions straight away from the gym book. Okay, clear? So we have covered dot product, and time is almost over. So in next class we will start cross product. From the next class we will start cross product. Okay. Okay, so let's meet in next class. Thank you everyone. Thank you all of you. Bye bye.